Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make this flavorful and tasty pineapple fried pasta. Yes, you heard me right, pasta. I'll be using pasta instead of rice. For my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for always watching my video, and for my new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. And please do not make this video your last one and continue to watch all my videos. Thank you. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient I will be introducing is my pineapple, which I have already washed. I will cut this into equal parts and then use 1 part for this recipe. If you want to use the full pineapple, no problem. I will then go further to cut across the pineapple, and then I will show you the next thing to do. And now you want to take a clean bowl and a clean spoon to scoop everything out. By doing so, I will make sure I scrape all the juice from the pineapple core, making sure there are no liquid inside. And now that there are no water inside my pineapple core anymore, I will set this aside. The next thing I will be doing right now is to cut the pineapple fruit or flesh into smaller chunks, and then I will set this aside as well. The other ingredients are red and yellow bell pepper, green beans, onions, pineapple fruit. I have carrot, fresh shrimps or prawns, green peas, and then sweet corn and pasta fusilli instead of rice. Moving to my prawns, I will be seasoning this up. It has been washed and deboned already. I will go ahead to season this by adding salt. I will also add ginger powder, and then I will add garlic powder, and then mix everything together and set aside. For the eggs, I will crack this one by one, and then I will be adding salt later on. If you have watched up to this moment and you have not liked this video, or you haven't given it a thumbs up, please do so in order for YouTube to take this video to a wider audience. Also, when you come across some adverts while watching this video, please do not skip in order for YouTube to pay me. Thank you. And now that I've added some salt, I'll go ahead to whisk this up, and then I will set aside. In a clean pan, I will add my vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice and allow this to hot for some minutes before adding my prawns. And then I will fry this for another minute. In here, I'll go ahead to flip everything up in order for it to cook. And now that the prawns is well fried, I will take this out of the pan and set aside. In that same pan, I will be frying this egg. By doing so, I will add this up into my frying pan, and then I will scramble this up and cook this for 1 to 2 minutes, and thereafter I will take it out of the pan and then set aside as well. At this point, I will be adding my vegetable oil. You can add any oil of your choice, and then I'll go ahead to add my sesame oil and allow everything to hot before adding my onions And I will go ahead to fry these onions up for some minutes, and thereafter I will show you the next thing to do. And now I'll be adding my carrot. I will go ahead to fry this up for some minutes with the onions before adding the next ingredient. I went ahead to add my ginger powder. I also add my garlic powder, and now I will be adding some salt as well, and I will add some fresh pepper just to spicy things up a little bit. You know I like spicy food. And then I'll give everything a stir. And now I'll be adding my green beans and stir this up as well. At this point I'll be adding my yellow and red bell pepper. If you have any other bell pepper, you can add it to it. And now I'll be adding my green peas, and then I will give everything a stir in order for everything to come together evenly. I went ahead to change my pan into a bigger one, and now I'll be adding my pineapple at this point, and then stir everything together. Now I'll be adding my sweet corn, and then I will add my fried prawns and egg at this point, and then I'll give everything a stir. And now I'll be adding my maggi for taste, and I'll also add my oyster sauce at this point as well to add more flavor to this. And then I'll go ahead to stir everything up and then set aside, and then I'll show you the next thing to do. In another pan I have my boiling water, which I will be using to cook my pasta. I choose to use pasta for this recipe instead of rice. You can use rice or whatever you want to use. At this point I will be adding some salt into the boiling water, and then I'll go ahead to add the pasta. I'm using pasta Fusilli for this particular recipe. You can use pasta, any other pasta of your choice. You can also use spaghetti as well. I know you'll be wondering why pasta. I just decided to use pasta and to try this out. I will cover this up now to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until well cooked, and then I'll take this out of the water and sieve it. Now back to our pot of veggies. I'll go ahead to take out of this because I can't use everything. The veggies is more way plenty than the pasta. Now I will reintroduce my pasta into the veggies, and then I'll stir everything up. Our pineapple fried pasta is ready, guys. This was so yummy and so delicious. When I say delicious, I mean what I'm saying. It was so yummy and so delicious. You do well to try this out, and when you do, please let me know. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up in order for YouTube to take it to a wider audience. Thank you guys for watching. Now I will go ahead to place some of those fried pasta into my pineapple core. You know this recipe is pineapple, it's all about pineapple. I'll go ahead to serve this one into the pineapple core, and then I'll give this a taste. I finished it, not almost, I finished it. Then I have to replace it back again off camera because of how delicious it was. You can see the way I was raising up my thumb to show that this food was so yummy. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.